Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Kevin back with the Serious Man, and today is a very special review and unboxing. Apple just announced not just one HomePod Mini, but we have two HomePod Minis. Wait, let me go ahead and straighten him up, get that one lined up. In addition to the white and the black that's already out, we have orange, we have blue, and a yellow variant. Oh yeah, how do you like that? 3 flavors of the HomePod Mini were announced last month during their October event following the iPhone event. And now we've got the 3 HomePod Minis here in the, not the studio, but here in the office for unboxing for you guys. And we'll start by taking a look around the actual packaging, noticing that, this is subtle. So on each box, it does say Mini on the sides, but depending on which one you get, you always have a different font. Like, let's go ahead and show you guys what this looks like there. 3 minis, 3 different font for Mini. I think that's pretty nice and very subtle at all. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. So I'm going to start with blue because blue is my favorite color. I've got my handy dandy unboxing knife right here. Alright, and taking off the packaging, it slides right off. Giving one more glance around the box, you see it's got HomePod Mini, there's the actual device, and underneath is some Apple branding and description of what the device does and what it's capable of. But let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Let's slide this off. Oh, wait a second. I've had it. Oh, okay, you're supposed to actually have it down when you do that. Alright, so let's place it down that way I don't actually break this thing before I take it out the box. There it is. And yeah, so it's still the exact same size as the previous HomePods. These are just new colors. They come in blue, orange, and yellow now. This one still has that nice, I guess it's a felt exterior. Oh, that's pretty cool about the cords now are now color matched to the HomePod. So that's very subtle, very nice detail. Okay, so inside the box, let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got. Flicking it around. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay, cool. So now they actually put an Apple charger back in these boxes. So we do get an Apple charger with this, but we don't get one with the iPhone as much and as expensive as those are. Don't know what's up with that, Apple. But we still got some more parent branding, and I believe this is instructions. I'm gonna try to. Oh, okay, HomePod Mini. So this is probably just instructions and quick setup guide, the warranty. And looking back at this, that's an Apple sticker, I think. I'm gonna try and get it out and see how many I've got here. It's not coming out. You know what? I'm not even gonna try and break this and mess with it. Let's go on to the next AirPod. Let me place these off to the side real quick. And we'll go over here to the yellow AirPod. There you are. Go ahead and get you cut open and unwrapped. Alright, so same experience. This time I'm not going to hold it off to the side like I did before. We're going to place it or lift it straight up. And there we go. And voila. I'm loving the yellow. It's like a banana yellow. Same size. Same texture on the outside. This is what Apple is calling their acoustically transparent fabric that allows the sound to come through better. And this time I'll take off the sticker that's underneath it. Here's for all you ASMR guys. Nice shiny Apple logo at the very bottom. And this one too is color matched with the cord. So the cord is yellow, just that matches the same color as the AirPod. So let's go ahead and place that one down. All right. Take the box to the side because we already know what's in there from the previous one. And let's go over here and unbox Mr. Orange. Now this is the one I believe everybody's going to be wanting to get because look how bright and vibrant that orange color is. And that just peeks through. And not to mention it is the Halloween season, the fall season, so I think everybody's going to be trying to go after this one. Even though when I went to the store, there was only one of the yellow and there were 2 each of the blue and the orange. So So all the same specs and size and textures as the other two. This one's just in that bright and vibrant orange color. Now on the specs, we got a smart speaker that's 3 inches tall by 4 inches wide and weighs just under 1 pound. Full range driver and dual passive radiators for deep bass and crisp high frequencies. Multi-room audio for AirPlay 22, stereo capable when using 2 or more HomePods, and they are wirelessly equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 with an ultra-wideband chip for proximity detection of your iPhone, and they're also Wi-Fi capable. Siri also comes equipped in these HomePods, lighting up the touch sensitive top when you call for it. You can control the HomePod using certain gestures, as well as having the ability to transfer music from and to your iPhone upon bringing it near your HomePod. So my first impressions are that if you A, have an iPhone, and B, love listening to music, why would you not get one of these? The amount of sound they immerse you in is well worth a $100 price tag. All 5 colors are available now online and in stores, so be sure to pick yours up. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for my full review. Until next time, thanks for watching and stay safe. Peace.